It took me nearly 30 years to know why some Igbo chiefs don't ever finish their food and the hidden secrets behind it. But I will tell you in less than 1 minute. Why is nobody talking about the main reason behind this ancient custom? Have you ever sat with a titled man, a respected elder, or a priest in Igbo land and noticed something strange? No matter how delicious the food is, no matter how hungry he may be, he will always leave a portion of food untouched. At first glance, you may think that it is just a matter of appetite. Perhaps he is full. Perhaps he does not like the piece of meat. But in truth, this art is a doorway into a spiritual philosophy that has been with us for generations. What looks like a leftover food is actually an ancient conversation with the unknown. In ordinary, a titled man is never alone. Even if you find him in the quiet of his chamber, eating in silence, he is not by himself. He dines in the company of ancestors, spirit guides, and divine forces who walk with him. Leaving food behind is a way of saying, I recognize you, I honor you, I will not eat and forget you. It is not waste, it is humility. It is respect. Now, kids are messengers of the spirit world. In many Igbo beliefs, kids are seen as pure souls freshly arrived from the spirit realm. They still carry the scent of the vine. When a priest or chief shares food with kids, it is not just generosity, it is symbolism. A child becomes a messenger, a representative of the spirit world. In feeding them, he is feeding the ancestors. He is acknowledging that life is a cycle and that tomorrow's leaders are still wrapped in innocence today. Isn't it powerful to think how that small act of sharing food with kids is a huge spiritual sacrifice? A chief or priest is not just the leader of people, but a bridge between two worlds. That is why even the act of eating cannot be ordinary for him. His plate is not just his food is not just his actions ripple into the spiritual realm. So when he leaves food behind, he is practicing discipline. He is reminding himself that power must be guided by restraint. That leadership is not about consuming everything, but about leaving space for others, both visible and invisible. At its heart, this custom is one of the greatest Igbo values. To eat and finish everything alone is to live in isolation. To eat and leave something behind is to say that this table belongs to all of us. When you see a chief, elder, priest leave food behind, it is not a waste. Think of wisdom. It is a silent sermon, older than the church, deeper than any philosophy. It is a reminder that we eat not only to fill the stomach, but to honor the ancestors, to feed the spirit, and stay connected to the eternal cycle of life. So tell me in the comments, when life did you share a plate of food, not just with people, but with the unseen forces that guide you? Outside storytelling, we supply granite chippings used for construction. Do well to contact the number displayed on the screen to place your order.